Hi and welcome. My name's Tolan and I'm the co-founder of Productivity Me. In this video, we're going to look at how to modify the chart type. We'll look at changing something like a column graph to a line graph, or a line graph to a bar graph, or maybe even a pie chart. So join us in this video and let's get started. If you want to follow along, go ahead and download exercise file 08.05. Now, as we've discussed earlier in the course, there are several ways to create or insert a chart. One way would be to select the data. Let's say that we just wanted to create a chart that indicates the sales for the 4 different quarters for the North region. So we selected that data. We could come here and go to recommended charts like we did in the last video, or we could come to insert and then go to the chart type there. Or what I like to do is press F11 and that would automatically create a chart on a new worksheet. So we have this chart for the North region and the sales on the different quarters. It's not actually that easy to read, but if you want to change the type of a chart that you have, you would click on that chart and then go to the design tab, and then on the design tab on the right portion of the screen, you'd have the type, and you click that and you can easily change it to something like a pie chart. So you'd make your selection and then hit OK, and it would change the individual types. So then you could change the style, as we'll discuss in a later video, and you could even insert the different elements like that. So if you wanted to do this, you could do it when there was multiple regions. So you could select the multiple regions and then go to Insert. Let's go to Recommended Chart. Let's do a line chart. And so say this is a line chart and you decide that you don't like that. Again, you would go to the Design tab here to Chart Type and maybe change it to something like a column chart. So pretty straightforward, pretty simple. If you want to change a chart type, it's not that difficult to do so. You can also easily move a chart by going and selecting that chart, then going to Design tab and going to Move Chart. You can either move it to a new sheet, or if it was on a sheet, you could say move it to an object in, you could say that worksheet there. Essentially insert chart example, you hit OK, and then it would be moved here. So you can both change the chart type, which is, I think, pretty useful. Maybe we'll change it to a bar, and then you can move it. You can drag it. Oops. You can drag it so that it's in a different location in your existing sheet, or you can actually click this button here and move it to a new sheet or to an object in another sheet. That too is an option. So in our next video, we'll look at the idea of formatting data and different things that you might want to do with that. So join us for that in the next video, and we'll pick up on that in the next video. So see you in a bit, and as always, thanks for watching.